Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Kobalt 40 volt max 600 psi adjustable spray nozzle, 20 feet siphon hose. It does come with the battery and the charger. It's actually on clearance, guys. I know it says $149. It's on clearance. I got mine for $21. Leave the link down below in the description section of this video. Just keep in mind that this is a clearance item. It might not be at the same price. It might not be available at your Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribing and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. I ended up picking this up because of the battery and the charger. I'm already in this platform. Not really into this, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot, see if it works or see if it doesn't work. So it says easy to remove wand for compact storage. Got a 5-in-1 nozzle included for cleaning variety of surfaces. I get a soap applicator included for tough cleaning. There's rubber grips for added control and comfort. 20 feet of siphon hose water from any fresh water source, like a bucket. It says includes cordless handheld power cleaner. Alright, we got the tool itself. This thing's huge. I have the 40 volt max Kobalt. This is the connector for the hose. You got a big battery compartment here, 600 psi, to tell you the SN number, the serial number. You got a nice rubber handle here, trigger. You got a lock, I guess. You got, looks like a battery compartment. Yep, that's where you put the battery. Alright, and at the end we do have like a tip, so you can put the tip, I guess, or different tips. Alright, we got the hose here. Take this off. Yeah, you just press it like that and just insert it. It should just go right in. So you pull this back and it snaps into place. It has to be solid. Alright, this is the soap dispenser. We got the wand. Alright, so we do have like a quick connect at the end, and then just the connection for that. Yep, you line it up and then just twist, I guess. Yep, you twist this way. Alright, you got several different tips here. Alright, you got the soap dispenser. My guess is just for this. So if you got a garden hose at home, you can connect this part, and then you can connect this part to here. This thing's for, I believe, is for this tip. It's for, because that's the way it goes. And then you can choose from different, you got all the different tips over here on this side. And then, like I said, you do have the arrow here, so you do have to line it up. Alright, you got instruction manual. You got the charger. This is a 2.2 amp charger. Alright, we got the battery. Alright, so this is the Kobalt 2.0 amp hour battery. We got 1 bar. We got see here, 72 watt hours. It's a pretty big battery here. As you guys see, guys, this thing sucks. I would not recommend it, guys. Don't buy it for the tool, buy it for the battery and the charger. This thing completely sucks. It's just a waste of time. Guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers support them by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. It's not cleaning.